Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM. PJ here, and this time on the bench we have got a Majorette Ferrari F40, and we're going to do the usual. We're going to strip it back, drill and tap the post, respray it, and hopefully put some homemade decals on it. So let's crack on and see how far we get with this one. So I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. So let's remove the post, or the head of the post. There we go, pretty straightforward, this one. One of my favourite models to work on. I love Majorettes. Just got this spring clip holding the axles in place, so we can easily lever that out. The axle's free. There's the chassis. Plastic interior seats, plastic windscreen, and if I remember rightly, this rear windscreen, or back windscreen, just pushes out. It pushes out and brakes. Okay. So that's something we're going to have to fix and address. Frustrating. We'll deal with that. So the next thing is to drill the post, so we'll get that done next. So I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. So welcome back, folks, and it's time to drill this post out, so let's get that done. There we go. So one of the first jobs that I should always do and forget to do first is to drill and tap the post. So next job is to get this put into caustic soda and get the body stripped. So I'll catch you in the lab. So I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. So welcome back to the lab, folks, and here we are with the body of our Ferrari F40. Drop it in our caustic soda jar, add our boiling water, and then of course wearing our PPE and some ventilation. We'll add our caustic soda. And we'll give that the mandatory 30 minutes, come back and check on it, and I'll meet you back at the bench. Cheers. So welcome back, folks, and we are back from the lab with the body of our Ferrari F40, and what I've been using is the much sought after Martindale brass brush, or wire brush. I got this from Home Bargains in a pack of 3, and I think it was £1.99, and I have to say it's done a top job. This has come up like brushed aluminium, brushed steel. Really nice job, and that will give the paint a great key to stick to. Definitely the primer anyway. I have, luckily enough, got a brass Dremel attachment, so I'm going to have a go at doing that on the inside. Obviously this is far too large, so we're going to give that a go. Then we'll swap attachments and we'll polish up the chassis. So let's get those 2 jobs done, and I'll catch up within a few. So there we go. Well, it's a little bit more work doing on it, but it's certainly a lot cleaner and brighter than it was before. And as always, what I tend to do once I've used this Autosol to clean up these chassis is I'll take it and use some washing up liquid just to clean off the remnants of the Autosol polish itself from around the lettering that is a little bit difficult to get to. But I'm going to give this a little bit more work. I'm also going to clean up the axles, just using some emery cloth, and then we'll be at the we also need to wash the plastics, and after many expletives I need to repair the indicators and rear hatch screen. So a few bits and bobs to do. What else? Oh yeah, we'll tyre black, or we'll re-black the tyres, and they want chroming, so we'll get that done as well. But the next time we'll catch you, hopefully we'll be in the workshop, and we'll be priming and glossing or top coating our body. So I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. Welcome back folks to this build update, and as you can see we've got our body back from the workshop, and what I've done is I've added a few homemade decals. This was just me having a bit of practice at making decals. I've added some highlights to the engine bay. We've cleaned up the windscreen and we've done the highlights on the wheel hubs. So all there is left to do is to put this baby back together, and then we'll get it on the turntable. So I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. So welcome back folks to the reveal of our Ferrari F40 made by Majorette. So on this one, fairly simple, stripped it back, give it a new coat of paint, done some highlights and added some homemade decals, and it come out fairly well. I think I quite like the decals in black. It gives a bit of a more mean look, I think. So fairly happy with this one. Hope you like the build. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe. Come and visit us on the MLM Facebook community page and come and join me and a bunch of other builders who like to share ideas and promote each other's channels. So thanks for everybody who's given us support. It's much appreciated. This is PJ signing off, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.